The evil and the bad. A story on the power of evil and what bad it makes us do, and learning how to stop it.
Hello, son. I just remembered I gave you to clean this area.
Yes, Dad, I don't want to lie.
Lie to him. Lie. That's your only way.
Dad, I did it, actually. Yes.
Very good, son. That's the way to go. Son, I don't see this place to be clean.
I don't know what to say anymore. Dad, I lied to you.
What? You lied?
I'm sorry. I didn't want it to, lie, but this evil person inside my head made me lie.
Lie. You did a good thing, son, telling me the truth. It's okay. You can clean now.
Well, you should not lie. You should get rid of the evil person inside your head.
Yes, son, you are right. Evil is bad, and you should not listen.
Yes, Dad, you are right. I will get rid of the evil from my head.
Evil will not leave you. It will leave you, son. It will.
Believe in the good. That's what we learned.